This is what it sounds like with the Flowmaster kit. Again, not my favorite setup for this thing. I would prefer, if I had a Challenger, I'm doing Borla Attack, baby. I just think it's one of the best systems on the market. The quads, a little bit small. They could be a little bit bigger. I think you should go dual 4-inch, but those 3.5s, they fit on there pretty good. So if you don't want to spend a ton of money on a full cat back, then you could go with the Muffy D, which is this. 2023 Challenger RT, guys. Got this orange, this burnt orange. Matt, what color is this thing?
Mango.
It's called Mango, guys. It's Mango, and it's got Flowmaster. So I guess we're matching the vibes, you know? Mango, Challenger, no Flowmaster exhaust. No Mango. All right, let me show you guys this system real quick. So you got the 3.5-inch black powder coated quads. All right, you got dual 3-inch stainless piping. The Flowmaster system comes with the valve brackets. So let me take a look over here. We got this Flowmaster X-pipe, H-pipe contraption that they put in there, and then they put these Flow FX mufflers on there. I don't know, you know, not my favorite system on these cars, but you know, teach your own, bro. You know, they want Flowmaster, let them get Flowmaster, guys. We sell Flowmaster. So boom, Flowmaster, Flowmasters. Got these clamps going on, got the valve brackets going on there. Dual 3-inch piping, stainless, pretty sweet. But again, Borla's where it's at, guys. So the next upgrade you could do on this RT would preferably be an air intake. The AFE air intake is our recommendation. That you can get on our website, gexhaust.com, and gexhaust Davie, Oakland Park. So if you're local, hit us up, Davie, Oakland Park. And if you're not local and you're in Alaska, we ship to Alaska, gexhaust.com.